Hi and welcome to Java Concept Tutorial. You might be curious about what you will learn in this course. Let's have a look on it. In this course, I won't teach you topics like what is array, what is class, or what is overriding, but rather I will discuss concepts like what will happen during overriding, when a method in a child class throw exception and a method in a parent class won't. Will the code compile successfully or not? If not, then what should we do to remove this error? This is the preview of a theory part of Java Concept 9. If you want to understand this concept in more detail, you must watch Java Concept 9 lecture video in this course, which is available for free to watch. I will show you preview of a few more concept and pause on each concept so that you can read and understand what you will learn in this course. Java Concept 31. Java Concept 35. Java Concept 41. Java Concept 44. Java Concept 70. How can this course help you? Or you can say, what this course provide which other Java courses won't. Let's see. In this course, you don't have to waste time on making handwritten notes using pen and paper because I have provided PDF notes for each concept. Here you don't have to waste time on typing codes from video to IDE. I have provided codes for each lecture which you can copy and paste into IDE and edit it. After completing this course, you will be able to answer toughest Java MCQ and interview questions. These are the topics on basic Java and Java OOPS, which you must know before enrolling into this course. This is how notes look like, containing content taught on slides in theory part and code from practical part with their outputs. Each line of these code are explained using Java IDE. You will get downloadable TXT file. This TXT file contains all code which I have explained in the lectures, and you can easily copy and paste these code to Java IDE. Want to learn more Java concept? Enroll into this course with 30 days money back guarantee, no question asked. Thank you for watching this video and bye.